So hey guys, as we know, Samsung sells a lot of mid-range smartphones every year. A large part of its smartphone revenue comes from A-series smartphones, but Samsung may cancel one device from its premium mid-range segment next year. As of now, we have seen the redesigned Galaxy A54's render photos and other A-series phones renders that will be released in 2023. But we haven't seen any renders or even news regarding the Galaxy A74, which is the A-series flagship phone. Now, according to a new Galaxy Club leak, Samsung may not release the Galaxy A74 in 2023. Yes, as I previously said, information about the design and specs of the Samsung's Galaxy A-series phones typically leak around the end of the year. But we got the news about the A54 and other A-series but not the A74. According to my opinion, Samsung has been releasing its Galaxy A7 series smartphones for quite some time, despite the fact that the brand's best-selling smartphone is still the Galaxy A50 lineup. So it may be the reason, and Samsung has decided to focus on the A54. So now we got to know why they changed the design of the A54. Remember that the Galaxy A72 and A73 are mid-range smartphones that sit in between flagships and entry-level options. They have a decent camera, an impressive display and a mediocre CPU. There are many fans of the A7 series and many people would be disappointed if Samsung discontinued this smartphone, because although these phones are not exactly performance overrated, but they are still powerful enough for regular usage. But unfortunately, there will be no Galaxy A74 this time around. That means the Galaxy A54 will replace the Galaxy A74 as the premium model in the A series in 2023. If the report is to be believed, the Samsung Galaxy A73 was the last Galaxy A7 series model that Samsung ever made, and for those waiting for the Galaxy A74 to launch next year, it's probably pretty disappointing news. This further clears the doubt as to why there have been no leaks and rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy A74 so far. This brings another device to the list of projects that Samsung seems to be cancelling. The brand has already dropped the Samsung Galaxy S22 FE smartphone, creating a significant price gap between the aforementioned Samsung Galaxy A54 and the brand's regular Galaxy S series devices. Will Samsung create an altogether new series to fill the gap? This time will tell. So what do you think about the Galaxy A74 cancellation? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.